Pag sinabi mo ang isang tao ay weary, ibig sabihin nito, you don't enjoy what you're doing anymore. Maybe ikaw ay magulang and you don't enjoy parenting anymore. Maybe ikaw ay nagtatrabaho and you don't enjoy it anymore. Pumapasok ka na lang para sa paycheck and you're not enjoying it anymore. Probably, you are tired. I'm still in debt. I'm still poor. Yung poverty na akala mo, pinalaya ka na ng Panginoon at ine-expect mo at pinangako ng Panginoon na makakalagpas ka. Yung sakit na ine-expect mong papagaling ka ng Panginoon, and then when you evaluate yourself, you're still sick. You're still poor. You're still jobless. Watch this. You're still single. It is a prolonged battle. You're so tired that even sleep cannot fix it. Pagod na hindi kayang solusyonan ng tulog. Nakakaranas ba kayo nito, mga kapatid? That even where some people have gone through depression. And that depression is eating away your appetite. Cannot eat, cannot drink, cannot socialize. Pagod na pagod. You're there, but you're not present.